everyone, it's me Mama Mariel, and I'm welcoming you all on my mini classroom here on YouTube. Kamusta kayo? And na-miss ko kayong lahat, ayan. And of course, na-miss ko tong whiteboard natin dito. So, gagamitin natin siya for today's video. Alam niyo yan. And kung bago ka pa nga lang sa ating YouTube channel, please huwag mo muna kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like yung video, and of course, i-hit mo na din ang notification bell down below para naman palagi kang updated sa mga bago kong math tutorials, mga bago kong videos na ina-upload dito sa ating mini classroom or dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, lately nga ay ang aking ginagawa is nag-tutorial ako via hindi ako nakikita sa video. Pero ngayon, eto na ulit ako. I'm back. So, for today's video is para sa mga grade 8 students. And I want you all to listen carefully. And anyway, pwedeng-pwede kayong mag-comment ng any suggestions about any math topics na gusto nyong gawa natin ng tutorials, and tatry natin yan gawan. And of course, you can also ask me some questions kapag mayroon kayong hindi naintindihan sa ating video, and sasagutin ko yan through reply sa comment section natin dyan below. Okay, wait lang. Magsasalamin lang tayo para naman mukha tayong genius kahit hindi. Yan. Okay na ba? Okay na to. Alright. Okay na. Ang ating video nga for today is for grade 8. And what are we going to discuss is we are going to illustrate theorems on triangle inequalities. Alright? So the first theorem is the exterior angle inequality. Next is the triangle inequality theorem 1, 2, and 3. And isusunod ko na lang next video yung inequalities in two triangles, the hinge theorem, and the converse of a hinge theorem. So the first theorem in triangle inequalities that we are going to discuss or we are going to illustrate is the exterior angle inequality theorem. Okay? So when we say exterior angle inequality, it states that the measure of any exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the two remote interior angles. Okay? So, medyo nakakalito to, but then again, kapag naisa-isa na natin, mas maiintindihan nyo na. So, alamin muna natin, ano ba ang sinasabing mga exterior angles? So, take a look at this triangle. Ayan. So, dinrawing na natin. So, bear with my drawing. So, we have here an angle X, an angle A, angle B, angle Y, angle C, and angle Z. Okay? So, when we say exterior angle, ito yung mga angles na na-extend through this side of this triangle. Okay? For example, itong side na to, in-extend siya. Yan. And itong side na to, in-extend siya doon. And itong side na to, extended naman siya doon. And then, nakapag-form tayo ng angles sa labas. Ayan. That is an exterior angle. Angle Y is also an exterior angle. And angle Z is also an exterior angle. So, doon nabubuo ang mga exterior angles na sinasabi. When we extended the side of a triangle, of course, magkakaroon niya ng linear pair. Ito yung sinasabi nating linear pair. Ayan. Yan. We have an angle X and angle A. And these angles, kapag pinagsama, measures 180 degree. These angles, kapag pinagsama, also measures 180 degree. And these angles, kapag pinagsama, also measures 180 degree. Okay? So again, what are the exterior angles of this triangle? We have angle X. Okay, ayan. And we have angle Y. And of course, we have angle Z. Ayan. Sila yung mga exterior angles. Okay? So, ma'am, ano naman yung sinasabing remote interior angles? So, when we say remote interior angles, ang pagbabasehan natin dyan is yung mga exterior angles. Okay? So, for example, this angle, itong angle X. Ang remote interior angles niya is yung dalawang angle na never nag-touch sa kanya or never nang nakatabi. Kasi may katabi siyang angle, di ba, si A? And ito yung collinear pair niya. Ayan. And ang sinasabi nating remote interior angles are the angles opposite to the exterior angles. What are the angles opposite to these exterior angles? We have angle B and angle C. Okay? Huwag kayo malilito dito ha. Kunyari lang, wala itong dalawang exterior angles na nandito pa, no? So, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano siya ma-identify. Alright? So, we have the remote interior angles, angle B, and angle C. Siya yung remote interior angles ng exterior angle natin na X. Now, let us identify the remote interior angles of the exterior angle Y. Okay? So, titingnan niyo lang palagi kung ano yung dalawang angles na hindi niya nakatabi or na-touch. Like, eto, di ba, na-touch niya si angle B kasi kalinear pair na siya. Therefore, si angle A tsaka si angle C ang kanyang remote interior angles. From the word itself, interior. Ibig sabihin, we are gonna identify the angles na nasa loob ng triangle. And kaya nga sinabing exterior, from the word itself, nasa labas ng triangle. Okay, so wag kayong malilito sa exterior and interior. Alright? So we have the remote interior angles of angle Y, angle A, and angle C. Alright? Ganun lang kasimple. Then, I know, ma-identify na din ang remote interior angles ng angle Z. We have angle A and angle B. Alright? Okay. So, palagi nyo ding tatandaan that the measurement of all the exterior angles of a triangle or any polygon like quadrilaterals, yung mga hexagon, pentagon, and lahat ng classifications ng polygons, ang measurement ng lahat ng kanilang exterior, okay, hindi interior, exterior angles is always equal to 360 degree. Alright? Ganun lang kasimple ang pag-identify ng remote interior angles ng ating exterior angle ng isang triangle. And sabi nga sa definition, the measure of any exterior angle or ang measurement daw ng kahit aling exterior angle, for example, itong X, ito lang yung ating basis ng measurement, is greater than the two remote interior angles. Palaging mas malaki ang measurement nitong exterior angles kaysa sa dalawang remote interior angles niya. Let's say, for example, angle X measures 100 degree. Dapat ang measurement ng angle B at angle C, kasi silang dalawa yung remote interior angles, di ba, is mas mababa or lower than 100 degree. Okay, so take a look at this another statement. Ayan, yung sinasabi ng ating exterior angle inequality theorem. Okay, sabi din dito, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So, di ba kapag binasa siya, parang, ha? Ano yun? Ganon, di ba yung feeling? Pero kaya nga, iisa-isahin natin para mas madali ninyong maintindihan. Alright? So, take a look at this figure. We have an angle A, angle B, and angle C as an exterior angles or an angle na nasa labas ng triangle. Sabi dito, the exterior angle and ang ating exterior angle is angle C is equal to the sum. Ano ba pag sinabing sum? That is addition. Remember, ang sagot po sa addition ay sum of the two remote interior angles. And ayan, A plus angle B. Okay? So, ito lang ang sinasabi nitong statement na to. Angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B. Basta, what are you going to do first is to identify the exterior angles and then identify next the remote interior angles of that specific angle. Alright? So, let's say, for example, this angle measures 70 degree. And this angle measures 60 degree. Ayan. Okay, find angle C or find the measurement of the exterior angle. Okay, so sabi nga dito, we are just going to add the remote interior angles. Yan, angle A is 70 plus angle B is 60 degree. And therefore, angle C would be 130 degree. So, ganun lang kasimple. Yan. Take a look at this, our next example. So, medyo pahirapan natin ng konti. Konti lang naman. Ayan, sino sa inyo yung palaging gutom at palaging inaantok during math class? Ayan, sa klase ko po, advisable na kumain muna before math lesson or nag-aalaw din ako ng kumakain sa klase ko during my math class kasi sobrang nakakagutom talaga yung math, no? But then again, super sayang subject nito. This subject is fun to deal with. Of course, kasi madaming mga fun activities, maraming mga pwede kang motivational activities dito sa subject na to. Tama na yung kwento, diretso na natin. Okay? So sabi ko nga, pakomplikahin natin ng konti. We have here a triangle. And as you can see, yung ating exterior angle is ito, si angle C. Okay, remember ang sign po ng angle is yung mga ganyan. Ayan, ayan, mga angle yan kapag mayroong ganyan. Okay? And then, what are we going to do is to find x. If angle C is equal to 150 degree. So, i-apply natin yung mga statements regarding the exterior angle inequality theorem. Diba sabi ko kanina, ang measurement po ng exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior angle. Therefore, we have angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B. Alright? And angle C measures 150 degree. What are you going to do is to just substitute the value given to this equation. Alright? So, angle C measures 150 degree. And angle A is X. Yan, we're going to find X, ha? Okay, and plus 2x. Okay, and then right after that is, we're just going to simplify. Okay, so ibaba nyo lang si 150 degree. And since x and 2x are like terms, or magkatulad sila because of their variable x, we are just going to add them. So remember, kapag ka nag-iisa lang yung isang variable, automatic mayroon niyang 1 nakatabi. Inalis na lang siya kasi automatic na yon. So we have 1x plus 2x or 1 plus 2 is equal to 3x. Okay? Again, we are just going to find x. So what are we going to do is to eliminate the number na kasama ni x. Tanggalin natin yan. How? Divide them both sides. Huwag kakalimutan, dapat parehas. By, what are you going to eliminate is 3. So, by 3. And then next, just cancel. Ayan, natira na lang si x. And then, 150 divided by 3 is, of course, 50. So, therefore, x is equal to 50. Now, find the measurement of this remote interior angles. So, since si x ay 50, therefore, angle A measures 50 degree. Tama? Automatic na 50 kasi x na lang siya. Now, let's find angle B. Si angle B ay 2x. Therefore, we have to substitute the value of x to the x na nandoon kay angle B. So, we have to copy 2. And then, ang x natin ay 50. Ayan. Therefore, angle B measures 2 times 50 is equal to 100. Therefore, angle B measures 100 degree. Okay? And as you can see, 100 plus 50 is equal to 150 degree. Diba? Yun yung relationship ng mga exterior angles tsaka remote interior angles nila. Ganun lang sila kasimple. Alright?